Welcome back. Well, the heat is on, rain chances down, and they're going to stay down for a while. Eventually, they're going to perk up as we head into the weekend, but we're just talking scattered, widely scattered activity. Notice the next couple of days, 10% or less. But as we go into next week, it looks like we'll see a regular chance of afternoon storms. But right now, it's all about the heat. So let's get over to the weather wall and talk about the satellite imagery as we look at the water vapor imagery here. And you can see we're pretty much getting dominated by a ridge of high pressure that was kind of centered in the Gulf yesterday with a secondary ridge up here toward the upper Red River Valley. Well, they've kind of combined together and pretty much squelching any shower or thunder shower activity across the region. Around the periphery of that high, that's where we're seeing the threat of severe weather late this afternoon, early this evening. But high pressure dominating at the surface across our region, and not much in the way of shower activity going on from the Mississippi River on westward for the most part. We are picking up on a few specks as we go over toward eastern Louisiana. A couple of isolated showers, thunder showers, one by the New Orleans area, then a few others as we get into coastal Louisiana, but elsewhere relatively quiet across the board. Heat advisory in effect again for our Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's for heat indices 105 to 110, but don't worry, southwest Louisiana, you'll have 106s and 108s out there, maybe 109 as well. So just on the verge of that heat advisory criteria once you get over 108. So here's the big picture as we look across the Gulf of Mexico. High pressure in charge at the surface off the coast of Louisiana, and it is pretty quiet across much of the Atlantic. We see a wave coming, nice looking wave coming off the African coast, but on the south side. And then we have a couple of things going on here. We have a little bit of a tropical wave, and maybe kind of shaped like this, connecting to some thunder showers by the intertropical convergence zone. But bottom line, National Hurricane Center is going to watch this feature because they do think, and we do think, something may get going once we get north of Hispaniola toward the Bahamas, but it's going to be in the next 7 days, a 60% chance. That's up from 50% from yesterday and 40% from the day before. So confidence growing that something may be up right around Florida, maybe a depression. We'll have to wait and see. We don't see anything big developing, but you always have to watch these tropical waves, period, no matter what time of year, and Beryl proved that as we went earlier this month. So here is the Euro model solution indicating that there could be a low pressure developing by the coast of Florida, Georgia, or the Carolinas, and perhaps moving out to sea, getting picked up by an upper level trough along the east coast. Now, this is the European model solution. Now, the GFS model solution doesn't see such a strong upper level trough along the east coast, doesn't develop the tropical wave, and puts most of the moisture through Florida, and then tries to drift it to the west. This is the latest run, and tries to develop something out in the Gulf of Mexico. So mixed signals. Do not pay attention to, I didn't even want to show you that. Do not pay attention to that. We'll just watch things and see how they go. But nonetheless, could see some moisture getting into the Gulf of Mexico 5 or 7 days down the road. High pressure dominating, temperatures back in the mid-90s tomorrow, so it's just typical summer pattern from here on out. Mid-90s again for Thursday. Showers, rain chance 10% or less. As we get into Friday, that ridge of high pressure shifts to the west and opens up a little bit of more of a northwesterly flow aloft, which could translate to a better chance of afternoon storms come Saturday. So overnight tonight, barely below 80 in Lafayette, upper 70s elsewhere, mid-90s the high tomorrow. Copy and paste that as we head into Thursday as well. And those heat indices up there, 104 to 110 more than likely. And again, the models, I mentioned this earlier, models undercutting our daytime highs. They've been going for 91, 92. We hit 95 yesterday, 96 today. So we're going to go even higher than what the model's telling us, and that's why we'll say heat index between 105 and 110. But primetime heating hours between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. 79 the overnight low tonight with generally fair skies. Just another sultry night out there. Then for tomorrow, more sunshine, maybe a little bit more in the way of haze. We're going to see some African dust in the area, so skies will be a little bit hazier. 96 the projected high. Your rain chance no better than 5%, and we don't put that on the 10-day. But if you get to 10%, we'll give you that love. Thursday, Friday, going into the weekend, a better chance of afternoon storms, and that will continue into next week. But notice those highs staying above normal and overnight lows near 80 once again. We'll talk more about our local climate coming up tonight at 10 and have a little bit more later on in the show.